So part two to the dam chiller story. Here's the one that is dead that we need to replace. It's a mate, another dam upriver to the one we just removed. Again, tall ceilings. Got 30.5 inches on the skinny side. We can get around here. The door is 32 inches. We can take the door off the hinges and get around there, but I can't get around that angled retaining wall. So, no go out the door. I mean, if we did make it out the door, then we got the little deck, walkway, and then a flight of stairs. So, more fun. Now looking like we rig back up to the ceiling, 25 foot up, take a window out, and pick the chiller, chain fall it up, and swing it out through the glass. It's after lunch now. Took us 4 hours to get the old one out of the other location. I have a feeling it's going to take more than 4 hours to get the new one into this location. This is scrap, we can cut that up, but that doesn't really help me a lot with the new one, or the other one. I mean, I suppose I could chop up the new one and then have to put all the Freon back in it. For a, what year is this thing? An old unit. Anyways. Fun times of an HVAC tech. Damn chillers. Gotta love them. But they are cool buildings we get to play in. Neat views and spillways. Probably bending lures can catch some nice fish out here. Anyway, back to work. Thanks for watching.